What's going on, YouTubers? Guddang775, just a mild boy in Texas, back with another video. Today I'll be doing a review on the Turtle Beach Stealth 700s. Now this is sort of revolutionary for Xbox because these are some of the first, I think the Turtle Beach 600 and Stealth 700s are the first headphones that you can kind of pair to the Xbox dongle free. Now I have another set of wireless headphones. Technically it's not wireless because you do need the cable to chat, but there is a dongle for the Lucid LS30. Okay, you plug it into your back of your Xbox, a USB port, and you stick that optical. It's like a USB drive and an optical cable rolled into one. So you stick this stick the optical thing into the optical port of the Xbox One X, then you get wireless sound. But if you wanted to chat, you'd have to use a 3.5mm jack connected to your controller. Now if you just wanted to listen to sound, you could just, you know, have it set up that way. But the thing is, and these by far are my best and my favorite sounding gaming headphones, okay? I was disappointed when Lucid Sound said that they were delaying the LS35X, LS15Xs. I guess they want to perfect it, because I know Turtle Beach, when these first came out, these ran into a whole host of problems. Had a lot of people giving these things bad reviews and whatnot. The thing is, these are actually very good. $129. And these are pretty good for the most part. There's two really big caveats though. Okay, I'll get into that later. Let me tell you first what's good about these headphones. Okay, I tested these headphones in PUBG, Call of Duty Black Ops, Red Dead Redemption, I know, Far Cry 5, and I've also tested it on Hunter Call of the Wild. Okay, the superhuman hearing, the button is like right here on the left ear cup. Yeah, it's on the left ear cup. The superhuman button is right there, and you can toggle it on and off while you're in game. And especially when multiplayer games like COD or PUBG, or in the hunting games like Hunter Call of the Wild, listening to the rustling of the grass, you know, listening for any little thing is crucial in this game. Okay, and these work fantastic for that. Now, for casual listening and whatnot, like say if you just want to chill Netflix and chill, or watch YouTube and whatnot, these offer fantastic sound. The mids, the highs, the bass, it's clear. And it can get decently loud. Now, not too loud, not as loud as some of my other Bluetooth headphones, but it gets decently loud. And the thing is, the bass, it's a nice clean bass. It's not deep or heavy, it's just clean. Okay? And you could also change up the type of sound profile you want. These come standard with Turtle Beach's signature sound. Like I said, I had this, when I first got these, I hooked these up to my PC. First, I downloaded the Turtle Audio Hub on your PC. You have to download the Turtle Audio Hub on your PC or on your Mac. Then connect, you go to the Turtle Audio Hub, get it set up, turn it on. It'll tell you to plug in your Turtle Beach Stealth 600s or 700s, whichever ones you have. And you have to update the firmware to right here, firmware 2.34. It's like right around here. Okay, I put it right around there. And once it's updated, okay, I've had no problems with these things. These things have been running flawlessly. In my opinion, it's totally worth the $130. It is. And like I said, you can change up the sound profile. I think you got bass and treble, signature sound, and vocals. Vocals, like if you just want to do a chat and whatnot, I think that's what it's for. But so far I've used only signature sound and the bass and treble. Bass and treble, those two are my favorite. Signature sound is like, it's Turtle Beach's signature sound. It's hard to describe, you know, because music is subjective. You know, if I tell you what their signature sound sounds like, someone else can come in here and correct me and say, no, it doesn't sound like that at all. It sounds like this. So listen to the different sound profiles when you can. They all offer something, but bass and treble is practically, and signature sound is my favorite on these things. Let's see what else. Now, these can also connect to your Android and iOS devices. I had it paired with my Google Pixel XL2. Again, you download the app. There's a Turtle Beach Audio Hub app on the Google Play Store or the Apple iTunes Store, whatever. And it's gonna be there, and it gives you, when you download that app and you connect these headphones via Bluetooth the same way you connect it to the Xbox One X. Okay, actually it's a little different. I lied about that. You gotta make sure Bluetooth is on in here. Then you gotta hold make sure it's off, because it's gonna get confused. Because if you had it paired with your Xbox One X, Xbox One, or Xbox One X, make sure these things are off. Then when you turn these things on and you turn this thing's Bluetooth thing on, then you hold this you hold the Bluetooth button down here for about 4 or 5 seconds. Then it'll search, then it'll tell you if you want to pair and whatnot, and it pairs up that way fairly quickly, I should say. I got these paired within seconds, so they paired fairly quickly. And the thing is, these things offer pretty good sound. Like I said, the mids and the highs are pretty clear for what, I mean, I didn't think it was gonna be that clear. It's almost good as some of my my Bluetooth F2s, my TrebLab Z2s, almost as good as those. Very close. And if I were gonna buy these for just Bluetooth headphones, I could imagine spending $50 to $70 for a set of headphones like these. Okay, it's right up there with my TrebLabs, my Bluetooth headphones. Now, you add in the factor that it direct connects to the Xbox, no dongle, and it's got a decent range. Now, it says, what do you call that? The range, you get a standard about 30 feet. I went all the way down my hallway, okay? And it only started to cut out when I was down closer to 30 feet. That's when it started to cut out, which is pretty good. 30 feet away from my Xbox, which is fantastic. See, my Xbox is right here. And I walked down my hallway. I was looking and it's like, oh, wow, I'm 25 feet. The sound's still going. I thought it would cut out sooner, but no, it actually got that standard 30 feet range like every other Bluetooth headphones out there. So for the price per performance, you're getting a decent set of Bluetooth headphones and the ability to play Xbox and listen to Xbox wirelessly via headset with no dongle whatsoever. And battery life, let me talk about the battery life. They're advertising 10 hours of battery life. I got close. I got up around 9 hours before these things died on me. So I had to charge it, okay? And you folks are thinking, wait, I only put up this video not too long ago. It hasn't even been 7 days. Actually, it has, because I actually shot this video last week Sunday, unboxing of these videos. Last week Sunday, and I already opened it and I turned them on and I started playing with them. So I got about a good 15 to 20 hours with these headphones already. Okay, so those are the things that I like about these headphones. Now the one major caveat of these headphones, okay, a lot of people, it's gonna turn off a lot of people. One, they're really tight, okay. There's two major caveats. One, they're really tight. They do squeeze your head. So about an hour and a half, 2 hours with these on, I had to take them off. My ears were not sore. I guess they were a little sore. The thing is, I have a medium-sized head. And these headsets, you don't wanna, like, I'm scared to pull them apart and every time and stick them on my head. Now, if you are a person with a large head, unfortunately, I don't think these are gonna be a good fit for you. Okay, this is gonna be geared more towards medium to small size heads because it's really tight. And I've used it for a week already, and I figured it would break in. My Xbox thing is. I figured it would break in, but no, it hasn't. So, that's one caveat. Two, the build quality. It is plastic. The whole thing is plastic, okay? If you drop these, like say just from 4 or 5 feet, these will probably break. And the mic, right here, the mic has 3 positions. That's off. This is muted and that's on. That's when you want to use the mic. And it takes calls and chat fairly well, okay? I took calls with this thing when I was using it on my phone, and the person on the other side could hear me fine. I did chat with a few friends on Xbox Live and they could hear me perfectly clear. So the headphones are, I mean, the microphone is not a problem. It's just, it's very flimsy. It's like I'm scared I'm gonna twist this thing off. So that's what it feels like. So the build quality and the comfort wise are big hits that are negatives about these headphones, but when you talk about price performance, when you talk about the sound quality, which is great, the bass, it's nice and clean, not heavy or deep. Now, it's not a lot of bass, but it's nice and clean bass, and the ability to connect via Bluetooth to your headphone, to your cell phones, your Android OS devices or iOS devices, or to the Xbox One X dongle free, that I think makes it worth it. Now, if they spent a little bit more money, say they come up with a version 2 of these things, I would be okay paying $150, $30 more than what they're charging, as long as they improve the quality of these headphones. The quality, like say the grip, especially the squeezing of the ears, it's tight. And the build quality, you know, make it, you know, this is plastic right here, that's plastic. And I'm just scared I'm gonna break this thing. So, has it dethroned my Lucid LS Sound LS30s for my favorite wireless gaming headset? Yes, it has. But only in certain games. For like, if I want to watch a movie or something like that, these are my go-to headphones, because these still offer better sound than these. The bass on these things are deep, and they hit hard, and these are loud as well. So that's why I was disappointed when Lucid Sound said they delayed their LS35X and LS15X. But this is a great alternative, okay? And I think the LS35Xs are coming in September, but they're coming in at $179, a bit expensive. And these $129, they're totally worth that price. If you can get them on sale, hey, even better. But $129, I'll leave a link down below so you folks can check it out on Amazon. And remember, if anything you folks buy from my link down below goes directly back into this channel, buying products like these, so I can test them out and give out reviews for you folks out there. But yeah, it's Guddang 775, just a Maui boy in Texas. Hope you folks like this video. If you like this video, go ahead and hit that like button, subscribe to my channel for more videos every few days. If you didn't like this video, hit that dislike button and let me know in the comments down below. I do appreciate the criticism. It's Guddang 775, just a Maui boy in Texas. Peace out.